the meaning of teacher is? Can anyone tell me what is teacher? Don't just translate the word. What is the meaning of a teacher? When you talk about the word teacher, right? What image, what picture emerges in your mind? शिक्षक, right? शिक्षक बोलने के साथ साथ दिमाग में कैसी छवि आती है? No answer? No? Not even 3, 4, 5? Nobody can answer me? When somebody says he is a teacher, she is a teacher, what image does come to your mind? No answer? A teacher teaches you. Teaches what? Anyway, it's okay, fine. See, the point is that a teacher is different from all other professions. You have a plumber, you have an electrician, you have a doctor, you have an engineer, you have a lawyer, right? You have so many other people doing different works. But a teacher is always different, supposed to be different. Why? Why am I saying this? Because a teacher is one who helps me to discover myself. A teacher is one who shows that you have immense potential inside you. Therefore, there is no reason for you to feel depressed. Just look in. Instead of look out, look in. নিজের ভেতরে একটু তাকাও। देखो क्या संपदा तुम्हारे भीतर है, उसका व्यवहार करो। A teacher is not simply somebody coming and reading out a particular chapter to you and explaining the words and meanings of that. A teacher always helps you to explore, to know, to learn, not just to muck up. মুখস্থ করতে শেখান না। ভালো শিক্ষক তিনি যিনি তোমাকে বলেন শেখো, জানো, প্রশ্ন করো, ask questions, search for the truth, don't be easily satisfied. কে কি বলে দিল আমাদের দোষ হচ্ছে আমরা খুব সহজে কে কি একটা উত্তর দিয়ে দেয়, we are satisfied, right? Because we are very idle. इतने आलसी हैं हम लोग कि हम लोगों को जैसे ही जो कोई एक उत्तर मिल जाता है उसी से हम संतुष्ट हो जाते हैं. Instead of that, let this Teacher's Day be remembered in your mind that I told you, and you read hundreds of good essays, and there you will find that true learning is knowing, not accepting. Somebody said something, you accept. Somewhere you found something written, you accept. No. Inquire, explore, check whether that information is right or wrong. That should be the switch. A teacher is first a student. Always remember that. A teacher is always a student. And how good a student he is or she is, on that depends how good a teacher he or she is. अगर हम सोचते हैं कि हम सब जान गए हैं, that means I am absolutely a rotten teacher. And if you really respect your teacher, if you really love your teachers, then instead of giving me a flower bouquet or a pen or anything, right? Follow the words follow the certain lessons. You see, a teacher cannot come suddenly in a classroom and start saying, don't do it, don't do it. Do it, don't do it. Here is a list. Do's. Here is a list. Don't do. No. We can never learn in that way. The best way to learn is when you watch nature. From nature you can learn. Right? From teachers, from your friends, from your parents, everywhere you can learn, provided you have the right kind of eyes, ears and your senses. Then you learn. A good teacher doesn't say do it or don't do it, but the way he or she speaks, the way he or she explains, everything that he or she does, that tells you what I should do, what you should do. So it's such a day, when unfortunately the teachers have thought that this is a day to get some garlands and the students will come and touch my feet. And I feel, oh great, I am so great a person that so many students are coming and touching my feet. But I think this is a day for the teachers to introspect, to understand, am I doing my duty properly? Am I really playing the role that I am assigned to? Right? So just that, just learn and be independent. That's my prayer for all of you.
And Teachers' Day marks the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar, philosopher, and his students loved him so much that they celebrated their day as the day for the teachers. He was also the second president of India. On this day, the students unite together to honor their teachers for their support, encouragement and wisdom, which helps them to become successful in their life. Teachers' Day is not only about getting gifts or receiving anything from the students, but the real gift will always be if you show us your gratitude through your performance and behavior. Thank you.
Cut what? Cut my throat?
No, it is your butt.
I thought you would ask me to cut. There's a light.
Okay, the mother cow gives milk for their babies, not for human babies. Okay, so they accepted it and they prepared it without milk. So many thanks to you, and yes, I'm very extremely moved by this.
So many hands are there that
আজ শিক্ষক দিবস। এই দিনে আমরা আবৃত্তি করে শোনাবো কবি অপূর্ব গোস্বামীর লেখা ও শিক্ষক দিবস কবিতা। করব পালন শিক্ষক দিবস আজকে মোরা ভাই, বাবা মায়ের পরেই তারা আর যে কেউ নাই। পরম গুরু এই জগতে শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা, মানুষ হবার মন্ত্র দিয়ে জান্নভূমিকা। আগলে রাখেন জীবন থেকে যতই আসুক ঝড়, প্রণাম জানাই আমরা সবে মানব কারিগর। তাদের দয়ায় আমরা পাই মানখাতি ও যশ, গর্ব মোদের শিক্ষা গুরু, শুভ শিক্ষক দিবস। ধন্যবাদ। Midas was working in a factory, and then a person walking through the way. Then he kept his tool in a toolkit, and he said to his sister that, "Look, what the husband saying? When you go alone, okay." Then Midas ran hurriedly to his school, by head down. He entered his classroom by head down. Midas showed his hand to Vijay sir in the classroom. "Get out of the room!" Then Vijay sir again started to teach. After some time, the tiffin bell rang. Soon many children came near Midas. He showed his hand to Vijay sir in the classroom. "I was unknown of your hard work. Go, take your seat." Vijay sir started teaching. "Why are you sad?" "Don't be sad. I am promising you that the principal will say sorry to you. Just wait and watch." Then Vijay sir went to the principal office. "You have insulted the boy." "Yes, I have insulted the boy." "Do you know the boy works in a factory?" "What? He works in a factory?" "Let's see." Then Vijay sir and the principal went to the next day, the principal went to the class. He remained the boy studying. The principal said, "Do you know there is a brave boy in our class who works in a factory to earn money? That is Midas." "Sorry, Midas. It was my fault. Sorry for the." Thank you.